is a long time to spend at one place. It shapes the trajectory of our career. And I am privileged to say that the time I have spent with Symbiosis Law School Nagpur has made me a better human being. If I must express my experience in one word, it would be exciting. Every weekend we have one or the other event scheduled, a competition organized, or an interaction with an expert of the industry. And the best part is, all these events and activities are managed, convened, and organized by us students.
During the 5 years of college life itself, students are able to frame and make laws, draft contracts, explore a world filled with arguments through various competitions that is conducted, make documents for the incorporation of company, and much more.
With highly qualified faculty around us to correct us, support us, and uplift our spirits. With mentors like us, these 5 years definitely have to be the best years.